Good morning. It's Janet with Keeping It Real. Actually, it's 11. Just turned 12. That happens to me a lot. I see a lot of 11, 11, 11s. And I know what's up with that. That's a different topic for another time. I'm actually going to do topics like that from things of that nature that I know of from just my own personal experience. So that's not what I'm doing today. Today I am drinking coffee, my first cup of coffee at 11 o'clock. If I slur my words, my bottom jaw hurts like a son of a bee. I just had an awful wire put in my braces yesterday, and I have to now wear these damn rubber bands here. So it sounds like I'm on drugs or whatever. I've been on a 30-day diet cleanse since September 21st, and I've lost a ton of weight. Just a 30-day body cleanse. Basically, just, you know, clean eating and stuff. In my drop down, I'll actually put in there what it consists of. I started off, I am a Melaleuca person, big time. I love their products. It's not something I sell. You don't sell it. You shop online. Like if someone says, "Oh, where'd you get those shakes from?" Instead of saying Amazon like I used to, I say, "Oh, from Melaleuca. Here's my link. You can go on there and create your own account like you would do for Amazon and buy the stuff there." I get all my shakes, coffee, toothpaste, deodorant, vitamins, cleaning supplies, laundry soap, essential oils. I get everything 30 to 60% off. So instead of buying a bottle of frankincense oil for $140 somewhere else, I buy it for like, I think it's like $40 for, yeah. So because I chose to be a preferred member. That's not what this is about either. What this is about is, what am I making? Can you tell? I have cabbage, I have carrots, I have a lemon, salt, all these nice fresh veggies. I actually had these herbs in my garden and I just wasn't thinking about it. I do have an organic garden. I have this going on. I have fresh tomatoes from my garden that I have already boiled. I just need to peel them. And of course everything's going in that crackpot. Remember the 90s? I think it came out in the 90s or maybe late 80s. This big fad of this cabbage soup diet where you just eat nothing but cabbage soup like 10 times a day or whatever the hell it was. Sorry, I need to really have this coffee. Oh shit, I got a flood going out in the backyard. This channel is Keeping It Real. I do drop some curse words and I just keep it real. I don't have any fake eyelashes on today and my hair is all up and like that. So I kind of look like trash right now and going out here because I'm flooding out my watermelon. Do you see that? I whisper like they're little babies or something. I have watermelons in here. Oh well, it's kind of flooding back there, but this is my main source of vegetables. Here's my rosemary, but I bought rosemary at the store because I wasn't thinking. And I have a half-dead garden over here because it's been freezing at night. So I'll be salvaging, harvesting my onions and carrots and I got basil right there. I still have a good supply of vegetables to harvest from and lettuce and spinach and romaine over here. It's pretty much shot because like I said, it's been freezing at night. So I gathered a lot of vegetables already for my soup, with the exception of my herbs. But my bell peppers, that came from my garden. Even though I have onions, I bought onions from a store. Even though I have zucchini, I bought zucchini because my zucchini froze. I didn't pick it early enough. It's been freezing at nights into the 40s. Sometimes I think late 30s I've seen. Just enough to make the vegetables now unhappy. So I'm blabbing. I'm going to get started. So cabbage diet soup. I'm not on the diet. I'm on a 30-day cleanse, but I'm not strictly on this diet. On the 30-day cleanse, I do find it challenging to find different things with flavor to eat. Like I'm craving tacos, and I love tacos. Yeah, I know you can have healthy tacos. I don't do healthy tacos. I don't know how. I want ice cream. This whole door dashing thing, I lost a lot of weight last year, and then I gained back I gained back 8 pounds. I was like, oh shit. And I started doing good again. And I started door dashing. Next thing I know, I gained a total of 12 pounds. And I was like, wait, okay, I'm gaining weight because I'm door dashing ice cream and tacos and Spanish rice. So now I'm on a 30-day diet cleanse. I've lost over 20 pounds. I've lost several inches. I mean, I went from a size 52 triple D bra to now a size 40 double D bra in, well, I did that in about 8 weeks. 8 weeks I did that. Since September 21st, I don't know. I haven't I didn't measure on September 21st, so I don't know how many inches I lost there. I know around my waist I lost 4 inches since September 21st because I got lazy and I only measured my waist. I work a lot. I work at a car dealership for like 10 to 12 hours or 10 to 11 hours, whatever, and sometimes I get lazy and I'll just measure my waist and not my arms and my legs and all that stuff. So this is all the ingredients that you need for a cabbage soup. If you don't have the blessings of tomatoes fresh from your garden, you can opt for a can of diced tomatoes. You can double this recipe. In this recipe, I'm halving everything, okay? Because my crock pot is little. It's not really that huge. I mean, it is, but... So I'm making a crock pot for myself, and I have a friend that's also doing this diet with me, and I'm going to see if they want the second crock pot, because I'm making a second crock pot. I'm going to be up all night long. Oh, my God. So I'm making 2 crock pots, because I don't have 2 crock pots. If I was thinking, I would have also bought a second crock pot. So everything's been washed, rinsed. I have to cut things up. That's going to be really boring. You don't want to watch all of that stuff. And basically, carrots, cabbage. The biggest ingredients is the cabbage, to be honest. With the combination of your tomatoes. For some reason, those together have certain proprieties in them. Sorry, with my teeth. Can't enunciate my words very well. The cabbage alone has cancer-fighting agents in it. Age-fighting, cancer-fighting, preventative, or it's good for your bloodstream, for your blood pressure, for cholesterol. It's also a epic fat burner. You can just eat cabbage and lose weight off of just cabbage by itself. Sometimes I do that. I have gotten cabbage and cut it up and just squirted fresh lemon all over my cabbage, chopped up, and shake it up in a baggie and take that to work as a snack. Just cabbage and the lemon alone. Wow. I mean, it's just sticking with it and doing it. And also I work out. I've been going to the gym. I do kickbox. I'm on a freeze right now with kickboxing until think next month or November. I can't remember. I have to check. Because of all the fires, and they had a swamp cooler that was actually sucking all the smoke into the into the kickboxing gym, and it was affecting my asthma quite a bit. So I'm thanks for listening to me ramble on and on. I'm going to continue drinking my first cup of coffee at 11 o'clock and start cutting up vegetables. And oh, one other thing. This soup, without meat added into it, can last in airtight containers in your refrigerator for like 10 days. I mean, I've even done it for like 12 days and it was still fine, didn't get sick and die. You can freeze it in little freezer baggies and take a little freezer baggie to work and just keep it in your lunch box on your desk and let it thaw out until lunchtime and heat it up in the microwave. So this will be my lunch and a side dish for dinner along with my salmon or my chicken or ground turkey on the side. When you add meat to a soup, it doesn't have that long of a shelf life or refrigerator life. So even though I'm adding the free range chicken broth, I don't know if you can see that, that doesn't spoil it. So I'm gonna get moving on this, and I'll keep you all posted with my weight loss journey and stuff. I was at my heaviest in 2017 and 18. I got really depressed and just in a bad situation, and I gained a lot of weight, like a lot. Like I went up to a size 26. I went up to a size 26, but I refused to buy a size 26. The reason why I knew I was a size 26 was because my size 24 work pants were absolutely uncomfortably too tight on me to where I had it, the trick of doing it, the button under your belly fat so it fits, and having your shirt hanging over it and stretching everything out. So yeah, I knew I was a size 26, but mentally I just couldn't do it. Now, I was at the store yesterday and now I'm a size 18. I can fit into a 16, but it's uncomfortable, like tight, because I like to be comfortable at work. 18, it fits snug, but I still have movement, so it's a good fit. And it's slacks, so slacks always fit smaller than, whatever, dresses or shirts or whatever. But that's a big accomplishment, I think, since the last 2 years. I joined I Live Kickboxing in April of 2019. Yeah, 2019. And from there, that really jump-started my weight loss. I gained confidence. I started to believe in myself. And I lost a lot of weight. I lost like 70 something pounds just from kickboxing within a year. So now I joined a gym at Planet Fitness, and I find myself on the weekends, on Saturdays and Sundays. It's like a breeze for me to work out for 2 hours. So and not even think, wow, I'm exhausted. I can work out cardio and weights for 2 hours and just be like, oh, I think I'll do some more weights, but I know I need to give myself a little break. So thanks for listening to me, keeping it real with no makeup and bedhead hair, and I'm not completely decent. I'm glad I didn't walk in front of, I hope I didn't walk in front of something that made me look, I'm just not decent dressed. Like I'm kind of, but not really. But you just know anytime you come on my channel here, it's just, wow, I'm just keeping it real. Just, there's too much fake out there in the world. And I don't think there's anything wrong with dressing up and putting on the fake eyelashes. I mean, I just recently bought fake eyelashes because I'm starting, losing all this weight and stuff. I'm starting to feel kind of pretty, even though I don't look at it right now. So I thought, oh, I'm going to curl my hair one day and put these eyelashes on to see what I look like with these eyelashes. But I can guarantee on a Saturday or Sunday morning, I don't have makeup on, have bands on my braces. So God bless you. Thank you for joining in and following my weight loss journey. I'm just looking at myself right here. It's like, wow, this is really thinned down. This is going away a lot. I mean, it used to be like down to here. So that's just exciting. All right. God bless you guys. Have a beautiful day. I'll come back and check in with the final product or the during product or whatever. Bye.